Right, welcome back everybody. Today we are working on the Grom. We are getting rid of this stock exhaust today, and we're going to be installing the Zoom exhaust. Look at those wells right there. It should be fairly easy, but you know how stuff go, so you never really know. But it's a bolt-on type of thing, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you the differences between them. So without further ado, let's get going. All right, let's get going. We're gonna start right here. 12 mil bolts, easy. 2 on there. See, there's one there and none there. So them 2 are loosened. I think it's one right here. That's gonna hold this whole thing, whole assembly on. There's one right here. I feel like it's one more, but I might be missing. But I'm gonna get that in there. That one wasn't that tight. The good old breaker bar though. Always works. Still got the extension on. This one came off kind of easy. I'm gonna leave everything loose in there though for now. Looks like I left one bolt on the other side. You can kind of see it right there. So we get that off, and then it all should come down. You know, I think they give you a couple of things. Let's see. Oh, well, and that's how it comes off, ladies and gentlemen. Stock one is off. Oh, it's kind of heavy. It is kind of heavy, yeah. I gotta figure out the orientation of this. I think it's just like this. Comes with its own gasket. I'm gonna put that up in there. Put it up in there like so, and then of course we're gonna turn it so we can fit everything, and then we're gonna screw this back in. So let's start with that. Second part was kind of just slid this on there, kind of lined them up. Like I said, I don't know exactly how these are going to be on here. But it looks like it's kind of good for now. I gotta adjust it. Obviously, I know that this is coming up like this, so it's probably gonna be something like this, something like that. They give you a spring in the kit. I just connected it here. I guess just to keep this together. It's just a little spring. Shouldn't come apart. And then our muffler on here. That nice Zoom muffler right there. And from what I'm thinking, I think with this, it's gonna help me reach this to here. That's what I'm thinking. There's gotta be a way. This goes on here. Bracket goes like this and screws into this, so that way you can keep this all solid. After some fiddling around, this is how the bracket should go. Get that screw on the back. At least, I mean, everything's not tightened down yet. And then make that other thing in there like that. See how it's sandwiched in there. Easiest way is probably put the muffler on and then connect these two. Like have them connected first, and then pinch them together, and then we're gonna tighten that. And then tighten these up, and we'll be done. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up to 10 mil. All right, so for example, if I do 3 turns on this one, make sure you do 3 on the other one. So 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything's now buttoned up. So what I did is tighten this one, obviously, get your 12 again, and then get a 1/2-inch wrench on the other side, tighten it up. This one I just got like a little Allen wrench that fit, and then I held this, and that one went in kind of easy. This is a I think this is a 10. The rest of 12s, of course, make sure that's in there good with no leaks around it. let's start her up and get a comparison of how she sounds. Hopefully she sounds good. All right. But more videos to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.